Let's divide 130 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, don't forget to like and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Here we go, first step. We look at the first digit of 130, which is 1. We'll use this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It fits 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0. Now subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. Awesome start, you're doing great. We've got a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the next digit. Time for step 2. We bring down the next digit 3 to join the remainder 1. Now we have 13. How many times does 2 fit into 13? Let's think. It's 6 times. Time to multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12. Subtract 12 from 13. What do we get? It's 1. You're rocking this. Keep that awesome energy up. We have 1 left over. Let's bring down the last digit. Last step, let's finish strong. We bring down the 0 to join the remainder 1, making it 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? It's exactly 5 times. Let's multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract 10 from 10, we get 0. Woohoo, you crushed it, so close to the end. And we're done. The remainder is 0, and our answer is 65. So 130 divided by 2 equals 65. Great job, everyone. We just tackled a long division problem step by step. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing fantastic. That's all for today. Keep practicing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.